How to make Snapchat dark mode. So if you want to make Snapchat dark mode, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Just you have to make sure that your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. So just check if your Snapchat app is updated by going to your Play Store or your App Store and then simply open the Snapchat app. Once you launch the app, this is the interface you will see. What you want to do is currently you can see we're on the lighter theme. So to switch to a darker theme, tap on the Bitmoji avatar located at the top left of the screen. Then once you've done that, tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side, which indicates the settings icon. Once you've done that, you simply want to scroll and look for an option that says app appearance. Tap on it. There you can see various options like match system, which means it will follow the theme of your phone or vice versa. Then you can also see the always light or the always dark option. Since we're trying to switch to a darker theme, we will select always dark and hit the restart now button to be able to go ahead, and then you can see we've successfully switched to dark mode. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.